Hello, this is Mr. Barbosa, and thank you for taking time to visit my website. Just want to cover a few things. If you're new to my website, first of all, you can see my bio, a little bit about me there. But if you scroll down, class announcements, I don't typically update those class announcements. Make class announcements through our Google Classroom web pages, and I'll upload links to those pages. In the coming days, you'll see my class schedule. These are the times and the classes that I have throughout the day. Of note is 6th period is when I have my conference. If you'd like to talk or come in for a conference, that would be the time to do that. Those need to be scheduled ahead of time. Plan. If you continue to scroll down further, you'll see some links. The first one is a link to my class brochure. That'll give you all the expectations, materials. So that's beneficial, especially at the beginning of the year. The second link you see is to instructional videos. This is also, these are very helpful tutorials. They're broken down by lesson. So we have a tutorial for just about every lesson that we teach in 7th grade. There may be some that aren't there yet, but will be posted shortly. If you have a question about anything, again, feel free to email me, contact me about that. The next link is to online textbook with resources. So each student will have an access code to get onto that. You'll want to access that online textbook from the Launchpad, any ISD Launchpad. And then there's a 7th grade STAR math formula chart, which the students can use on everything. They're provided for them on the STAR test as well. And then I will, of course, the website has a link to this web page tour here. So that's about it for my teacher website. Again, for more specific classroom information, you'll want to access the Google Classrooms, and those links will be provided shortly as well. Thank you.